Hello guys, today I do have the iPhone 17 and 17 Pro and Pro Max actually, and I'm going to tell you how to fix the Scratchgate. So here, as you can see, I do have the base iPhone 17, but that's not what we want to talk about. We want to talk about Scratchgate. So as you might know, the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and Pro Max are aluminum, and here it's easy to scratch actually, and if you don't really care much about your device, you'll have it scratched in a moment actually. So at first, what I'd recommend doing is to distinguish transfer marks from scratches. So actually, I won't show you this because I don't want to scratch my phone, but here, this phone, especially iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, if you scratch them, they will leave marks. But if you wipe them off with your finger, not your phone is scratched, but you leave your part of the key actually on your device, and it's scratched. Your key is scratched, not your phone is scratched. So you have to distinguish it by just wiping the dust off. Sometimes you can use some alcohol, etc., etc. It should help you, but if you really want to make sure that you won't have any scratches on your device, what I recommend doing is to either buy yourself some skins for your phone. For example, you can buy yourself some titanium frame here, titanium, not aluminum, titanium frame on some local shops, or maybe not Temu, but some Spigen or something like that. It depends, of course, on where you are and if they do have this product. You can just search for yourself for titanium frame for iPhone 17, but not replace. Don't replace your frame. Just have a skin for it. You know what I mean. Apart from that, what I recommend doing is to use a case. Apart from the case that has to cover all the back, what I recommend doing is to get yourself a skin. Recently, for example, on TikTok, there are all the videos that sell. I'd say sell some protective skins for the iPhones, and this is just like the foil, just like this skin for example, this matte skin for the display, but it's on the back and it's unscratchable, and it just looks nice because it's matte, and it just looks nice, and of course protects your device. Of course, if you don't like it, you can just buy yourself a case, but it has to cover all the phone without this, of course, titanium frame, but it of course has to cover the frames and back. And actually, that's it. You can buy yourself, apart from that, some display foils, but I don't really think that it's that useful when it comes to iPhone 17s. The most important thing is to protect your back. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.